guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could turn on the fast start app in Windows. To do that, go to your battery icon, click with the right button of the mouse and select power options. Next step, on the left menu you will see the second option, which is choose what closing the lid does. Click on it to go to the next menu. Next step, you will see shutdown settings and you have turn on fast startup, but these options should not be available to tick or untick. So to change them, click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Next step, make sure to tick turn on fast startup and click save changes. Close the menu and go ahead and restart your computer after saving your work. Normally, once done, this option should be taken into effect and your computer should have fast turn on or fast startup. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment with the full description of the issue which you are facing, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like and you find this video tutorial helpful, you can always press like and share. And if you would like to encourage us to make more videos, you can always become a subscriber. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.